Royer Lab's unshakable philosophy is that nothing is more important than delivering outstanding sound quality with every piece of gear we design and build. As the company that pioneered active electronics for passive mics over 2 decades ago, we made sure that our inline dBooster lives up to that pedigree. The dBooster's unique design and superior performance comes from meticulously chosen premium components that bring out the best possible tone from all passive dynamic and ribbon microphones. Other boosters think it's good enough to focus on making the signal louder as inexpensively as possible. That's not the Royer way. Look at the dBooster specs, and you'll see performance that's in the same class as the finest boutique mic preamplifiers available today. Yet, dBooster is not just about ultra-low noise and sonic purity. Although no other inline booster can equal dBooster's headroom and dynamic range, there's also plenty of power under the hood. You can more than double the output, or, with the flick of an onboard button, even quadruple the output of any passive mic you plug into it. Even better, the dBooster's onboard power supply ensures that the amount of gain it delivers does not vary, even slightly, no matter which micro preamp you pair with it, and the isolation from unwanted noise and interference is simply unrivaled. You deserve the best, not the rest. For the sweet sound of unmatched sonic integrity, there's only one clear leader: Royer Lab's dBooster.